Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another vlog. I know I haven't picked up this camera in a while. I know I've been dropping a lot of videos for you guys though on the main channel. But yeah, today's about that day where we need to, we probably need to get an oil change. We need to check the brake on this car. We need to change the tires because we're going on a rally or road trip, whatever you guys want to call it. But right now I'm just waiting for the car to warm up. Yeah, it's been like, this camera is heavy. It's been a while since I at least vlog on this channel too, man. But definitely big shout out to all you guys that graduate this weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend too, that graduate this weekend or before. I've been like seeing a lot of graduation online and stuff like that. Whether you graduate from high school, middle school, college, whatever it is, congratulations, man. But other than that, man, let's start the day. I gotta get there right now. Eurofed is expecting me at 8 o'clock. Gotta get there in a minute, and yeah, we'll see how the rest of the day is gonna turn out, man. Guys, so we just finished with Eurofed. The car's okay. The car's okay except for the tires. I was wondering why I was sliding everywhere, of course. But I thought it was the brakes because I was ready to change the brake. But it's not my brake. My brakes are good. We still got some life in them. But we just ordered the tires. Appreciate it, Tony. We just ordered the tires. After the tires, I think I should be fine. Maybe an oil change. That's probably the only thing I might do after that. But other than that, I think we all set, man. We ready to go. But right now, I just called my boy Ozama, and he have the, I don't know, the largest fleet for GTRs, man. We about to go check it out right now. Maybe we'll drive some, maybe we'll just look at them. I don't know, whatever. So I got some time today, and there's no traffic like that. So let's head over there, man. You know he's in trouble. All right guys, so we just got here. As you guys can see the sign behind me, Nexus Racing, of course. I think he just moved the shop too, so we at a different location. But right now, I don't know. I don't even know. Right now, he just told me, yo, you could take any GTRs over here. That's also the location that showed me about, you know, GTRs and stuff like that. But definitely shout out to him. I got my GTR right over there right now. but he's like, yo, you could take any GTRs in the shop, just go for a drive. So I think right now we're about to take like a 1300 horsepower GTR, take it for a drive quickly, show you guys how it is. But if you guys ever been to Texas 2K or you know, any type of like, you know, GTR World Cup and stuff like that, you guys probably seen this trailer right here, man. Definitely shout out to my boy. But yeah, let's go in there, let's see which car we taking. And you guys, you know what, I wish you guys were here so you guys could just, you know, let's take this GTR, that GTR. But right now, let's go check out the GTRs, man.
Okay, so it's a AMS built 3.8 motor, has a Chef 1K transmission with drag pack, upgraded axles, 4 fuel system, boost logic, intercooler, boost logic 1300X turbo kit. So this car is pushing close to 1250 to the wheels. Super fun daily driver. I mean, that's how GTR should be when they come from factory, but that's what we do at Nexus. We make GTRs great again.
Okay guys, so we are inside a GTR right now. You guys already know what's under the hood. Let's start this bad boy, man. Whew. I love that sound. All right, let's close the door. My goodness, no, let's no AC today. All right, and if you do own a GTR, you already know what I'm about to do right now. Put everything up. This thing already sounds like it's about to scare the hell out of me. All right, safety first. So let's put on our seatbelt. All right, and let's take this thing out. What is the best way out of here? My God. This thing already felt like a beast. 1300 horsepower, guys. Would you guys even imagine driving something like that? Woo. Oh my God. What? I'll have to take this on the highway, guys. What? You guys hear it though? It felt like a whole brand new GTR. Wow. Yeah, sorry guys, I can't take it on the highway, but man, I already feel it. This is a straight line. Oh my God. Yo, this is crazy. This is crazy. All right, I barely. Back in the circle, but wow, I am in love. not even holding the camera right, guys. Okay, so we're bringing this back. We are bringing this back. Wow. Nobody should need that much power. Wow. This is something else. Oh my god. All right. Oh my god. So you guys got a chance to see everything that we just did right now. You guys already know the GTLs in the back over here, but we got a bunch of GTLs over there, man. 1300 horsepower. I don't know, man. I think we're almost ready for that, but wow. I mean, you guys saw what just happened a second ago. Wow. That's all I gotta say, wow. But you guys already know that mine's half of that. And when I say we got a lot of work to do, we got a lot of work to do. But damn, no wonder why these things be smoking Lambos and whatever come across of it, of course, man. And I think my car's running, what, 10 seconds now? But even if I upgrade the turbo, do some extra stuff, oh my God. But that one was 1300, so whew. When I say third and fourth gear just put me back on the seat, whew, that was crazy, man. But anyway, it's getting loud over here, so let me get out of here. I hope you guys did enjoy this short vlog. I know I haven't vlogged for a while too. I was supposed to get my car checked up and why not? But yeah, I'll probably talk to you guys when I get home, man. But yeah, well, I can't wait until this have that much power though. That was just crazy. That was stupid power.